Hello everyone, this is Suleiman and we meet today for the first video of how to develop Python program on our Skillroot platform. Therefore today in this section we're going to learn systematically how to use, build and develop Python's program with that programming language. If you are new to programming, you have made the right choice. Python is the perfect beginner's language. It has a clear and simple syntax that will get you writing useful program in short order. If you have done some programming before, you have still made the right choice. Python has all the power and flexibility you'd expect from a modern object-oriented programming language. But even with all of its power, you may be surprised how quickly you can build programs. So get ready and let's go.
Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard, and I wonder where you are.
Programming basically is getting your computer to do stuff. This is not the most technical definition, but it's a pretty accurate one. By learning Python, you'll be able to create a program, whether it's a simple game, a small utility, or a business product with a full-featured graphical user interface. But yet, what Python is and what's so great about it? First and foremost, Python is a powerful yet easy to use programming language developed by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. With Python, you can quickly write a small project, but Python also scales up nicely and can be used for mission-critical commercial application. Python is powerful enough to attract developers from around the world, as well as companies such as Google, IBM, Industrial Light, Plasmagic, Microsoft, NASA, Red Hat, Verizon, Xerox, and Yahoo. Python is also used as a tool by professional game programmers, for instance, Electronic Arts, 2K Games, and the Disney Interactive Media Group all publish games that incorporate Python. It is also an object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming, OOP, is a modern approach to solving problems with computers. It lets you combine related data and code into a single thing. For example, let's take we want to represent 3 circles in a program. What do we know? Each thing is a circle, and each circle has a radius, but the length of the radius is different for each. So with the OOP, we're just gonna create a single class named circle, and then through that class circle it is going to be a template. With that template we will be able to create other objects as a new circle. Languages like C#, Java and Python are all object-oriented, but in Python it can be optional, which is not the case for C# and Java. Let's go ahead and open our browser. For this section, we will install Python using the Anaconda distribution. A distribution is just a version of Python that also comes pre-packaged with additional useful libraries. Go ahead and type in Google Python Anaconda or anaconda.com. Then we can click directly to the /download page. As you can see, there is the Windows 1 OS and the Linux. If you are using Windows, just go ahead and click on Windows. You can see there is the Python 3.6 and the 2.7, but we're going to use the 3.6. So now it's gonna depend on what version of Windows you're using. If you're using the 32-bit, go ahead and install the 32-bit, but I am using the 64-bit and I have already installed it, so you can go ahead. It is pretty simple. Anaconda at its own is pretty large, so you also have the choice to install Miniconda. You just need to go on Google and then type Miniconda, and you can see there is the Python 3.6 also for the Miniconda. You can install that one too. The other ways is to go on Python website also. On Python website you will have all the documentation that you need to use Python too, so you can check that out. Well, after installing Python, we're gonna need to install Atom as our text editor. I have made a video on how to install Atom. I'm gonna link that out within the description, but just need to go on Google and type atom.io. Just install that out. After all the installation done, let's open Atom. The small button plus that you're seeing on my Atom, that's a terminal. I have explained all of that within the video that I linked within the description, but you can just go ahead and type terminal within the settings research, and yep, you can install the terminal plus. Also, let us install some Python script. By typing Python within the search bar, we can see the Python auto-completion. Install that out. One more thing before we dive into programming. type terminal within the research bar. By default, the terminal uses your PowerShell, but what we would like to use is the command prompt. So go ahead and type in settings, scroll down through the shell override, and then change the path to system32/cmd.exe. As a quick demo, just type Python within the terminal, and then we can just print hello world and type enter. Yep, it's work. And thanks everyone, and I'll see you within the next video. Any question, feel free to post within the comments. So please like, share, comment, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button. Thank you.